Ever wonder why it's so easy to scroll through your phone for an hour, but so hard to exercise for just 30 minutes? It's not because you lack discipline or willpower. The real reason is much simpler, and it's wired into our brains. It's called the instant reward problem. Think about it. Bad habits are masters of marketing. They offer instant comfort, a quick hit of pleasure or relief delivered in seconds. One more episode? Instant escape. One sugary snack? Instant satisfaction. Your brain lights up, says, yes, I like this. And the habit loop gets stronger. Bad habits pay you on the spot. Good habits, on the other hand, are terrible at sales. They promise a better future, but that future feels distant, almost imaginary. Wake up early today. The reward of a successful career is months, maybe years away. Hit the gym today. The reflection in the mirror won't look any different by tomorrow morning. Your brain, being the impatient creature it is, asks a very logical question. Why should I work hard now for a reward I couldn't even feel? This is the exact moment where most good intentions quietly fade away. But what if I told you there's a way to hack this system? A way to work with your brain's nature, not against it. The solution isn't to develop superhuman discipline. It's to change the timing of the reward. If bad habits stick because they pay immediately, then we need to make our good habits do the same. The habit itself doesn't need to change, but the reward system does. Let's reprogram it. Just finished a tough workout? Don't wait for the long-term results. Reward yourself right now by blasting your favorite victory anthem. Completed an hour of focused work? Give yourself 5 minutes to watch a funny video or enjoy a cup of tea you really love. Wrote one page of that book? Step outside, take a deep breath, and just enjoy the feeling of accomplishment. The reward doesn't have to be big or expensive. It just has to be immediate and genuinely enjoyable. When you attach a small, instant pleasure to a positive action, you're sending a powerful new message to your brain. Hey, this feels good right now. You're teaching it that growth isn't just about future benefits. It can be satisfying in the present moment. Over time, something incredible happens. The habit stops feeling like a chore. The action starts to become part of your identity. You're no longer the person who forces themselves to exercise. You're the person who enjoys moving their body. And those big, delayed rewards, the health, the success, the confidence, they still arrive. But they come almost as a bonus, a welcome surprise you didn't realize you were earning all along. The secret to consistency isn't fighting your own nature, it's understanding it. It's not about willpower. It's about clever timing. So, ask yourself today, what small, immediate reward can you give yourself for building the future you want? Start today, because when progress feels good now, your success becomes inevitable. Thanks for watching.